Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here, and today we're making this delicious pineapple upside down cake. If you're interested in this video, all the ingredients will be down below. Grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, we're gonna start with some butter. We're just gonna butter our pan. Make sure the bottom is well coated in butter and get it all around the sides of your pan. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really obsessed with all things pineapple and anything coconut. So pineapple upside down cake is like one of my top favorites, and also it just gives me that vibe where I just want to be on a beach relaxing. Then I just go ahead and add some sugar because we want this to caramelize into nice gooey deliciousness by the time we're done. Add your pineapples to your pan and just put as much cherries as you'd like. If you'd like more, add more. If you don't. Then go ahead and take a picture for the gram if you're like me. And then we're just gonna go ahead and sift all our dry ingredients. You don't have to use nutmeg like I did here, but I feel like it gives it that extra oomph. Like it just takes it from like a 1 to like a 10. Like, so if you want to go ahead and add some nutmeg, that's perfect. Alright, once that's well mixed and well incorporated, I go ahead and add my dry ingredients to that. This is such an easy recipe. That's it. We pour this into our pan and we're gonna go ahead and bake this. You get this delicious cake that is just so flavorful, so moist. It's just mind-blowing. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video so all your other friends can know that someone's making some delicious recipes on this on this page. So go ahead and share, like, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe.